Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Flexible Earn. First, navigate to the Earn section on the Binance platform. Select Flexible Earn to view available cryptocurrencies. Choose the asset you wish to deposit, such as USD or BNB. Enter the amount you want to stake and confirm your subscription. Your earnings will begin accruing daily, and you can monitor them in your Earn wallet. Flexible Earn is designed for convenience, letting your crypto work for you without commitment. You'll see your estimated annual percentage yield, or API, before confirming. For example, some stablecoins might offer around 3–5% API. Your daily interest payments are automatically added to your account, making it a truly passive income stream. It's a great way to maximize holdings you plan to keep long-term. The main advantage of Flexible Earn is its liquidity. You're not locked into any term. This means you can react quickly to market changes or unexpected needs. While the returns might be lower than fixed-term products, the flexibility often outweighs this for many users. Always consider your personal financial goals and risk tolerance before participating in any earning product. Getting started is straightforward. Simply log into your Binance account, find the Earn section, and select Flexible Earn. You can start with a small amount, perhaps just $10, to get a feel for how it works. It's an excellent option for beginners and experienced users alike looking for a low-risk way to grow their crypto. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.